Hi friends, hope you are good and doing well. Today's topic is concatenation in Python. If you have not listened the previous videos, lectures, please first go through the previous lectures. In that I have explained various forms of data types. After that, watching the videos, you can easily understand, easily catch this today's topic concatenation. Concatenation means it's merge two or more strings or list into a single entity. For example, if you created two or more list or strings, you can combine them, you can execute them. Okay, so the concatenation talks about the merging the two various variable in the form of strings and list. You can combine them and you can execute them. Okay, it has some limitations also. Concatenation can be inefficient for large data. Okay, it should not be efficient if you have the large data. Okay, maybe it can cause memory issue and performance issue. And concatenation is not always appropriate for complex data. For example, if you have more complex data structures like dictionaries and objects, okay, it will be a some it will give you some error, some issues. Okay, so in such cases you can go through the data manipulation techniques such as merging, filtering and sorting may be more appropriate. Okay, so it has some uh, limitations also. So now we'll talk about the concatenation. Okay, so with two examples, I will give you some two or three examples also. So I'll create a variable a equals to hello, and one more variable I will create b equals to word. Then I'll print a plus b. So see here, it will print for you hello world. If you want to maintain a space in between the hello world, so you can use this print function. Print, sorry, a plus, you need to give some quotations, single or double quotations. In between the quotations you see here, the it should must maintain a space. Okay, without space, with space. Okay, then plus b, then execute this cell. So see here, you will get see here, the output is hello world with space. Okay, hello world, there is a space in between the hello world. Okay, right. Now I'll create the list also. L1 equals to लिस्ट भी बनाएंगे हम, जिसमें हम रखेंगे L1 लिस्ट वन में इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, और यहाँ पे रखेंगे हम, क्या रखेंगे, यूएसए. ओके, सी यूएसए, ये तो स्ट्रिंग है हमारा. ठीक है, क्लोज करो यहाँ पे. देन आई क्रिएट another list L2, right? So in that I'll write the integer values and float values. For example, 100, 200, 30.1. Okay, then I'll execute this cell, print L1 plus L2, execute this cell, then you will get it. It will merge the two lists L1 and L2. Okay, in a single entity. You can see here, in the single entity it will merge the two lists. Okay, India, Australia, USA, and 100, 200, 30.1. Okay, but next, other example, one more example. I'll create a equals to hi. A variable I kept hi, and b variable I kept in b variable I will keep good morning. Good morning. Okay, then next, here I can use input function also. Okay, so I'll use c equals to input function हम यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं। तो यूजर को ये पूछता है आपका नाम क्या है, जो भी हम यहाँ पे टाइप करेंगे इनपुट फंक्शन में, ये आपको he will ask you. So I'll type it here, enter your name. ये यूजर से पूछता है, okay, enter your name, okay, some other thing also you can, it can ask you, okay. So enter your name. I'll type it here in input function, enter your name. Then next, uh, I'll print I'll print a plus inverted commas with, sorry, first we'll print a plus b plus c without spacing. So it will ask you to type your name, enter your name. So I'll type here Usman. Okay, I'll type it here Usman. Okay, so see here when you will enter, so he will ask you, sorry, the output will be hi good morning Usman, hi good morning Usman. Okay, so here I will make it correct, good morning, 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 comma. Okay, now see here, execute this cell. So Usman, right? So hi, good morning, Usman, right? But without spacing. If you see here, there is no space in between hi, good morning, hi, good, hi, good. There is no space. So if you want to maintain a space, hi, good morning, Usman. So here, what we need to do? We need to give spacing, right? Then here plus, then here again plus, here is spacing. Okay, then execute this cell. Usman, type it here. So see here, hi, good morning, Usman. Okay, so there is a space in between hi, good morning, Usman. Hi, good, there is a space, good morning also space, and after comma also there will be a space. Okay, so इस तरीके से हम spacing भी दे सकते हैं, right? So if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Okay, thank you very much.